Ways to make 5 using equations by Teaching Without Frills. In this video series, we're going to be learning different ways to make the number 5. One way that you can show ways to make 5 is by writing equations. An equation is kind of like a math sentence. This sentence says 2 and 3 is the same as 5. But instead of using words, equations use numbers and symbols. The plus symbol stands for the word and the equal symbol stands for the words is the same as. So 2 and 3 is the same as 5, or 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now I have a making 5 problem for us to solve. We are going to show our answers using equations. I'm going to play with 5 toy cars. Some of my cars are blue and some of my cars are yellow. What different combinations of cars could I play with? I could play with all yellow cars. 5 yellow cars and 0 blue cars is 5 cars in all. 5 plus 0 equals 5. Or maybe I'll play with 1 blue car. 4 yellow cars and 1 blue car is also 5 cars in all. 4 plus 1 equals 5. What if I play with 2 blue cars? 3 yellow cars and 2 blue cars is 5 cars total. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Or I can flip that around and do 3 blue cars. 2 yellow cars and 3 blue cars is 5 cars in all. 2 plus 3 equals 5. How about 4 blue cars? 1 yellow car and 4 blue cars is also 5 cars in all. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Last one. Do you know what it is? Yep, all blue cars. 0 yellow cars and 5 blue cars is 5 cars in all. 0 plus 5 equals 5. Did you know that you can even add more than 2 numbers at one time? Let me show you. What if I had blue cars and yellow cars and red cars? I could still make 5, right? Let's see. I could do this. 3 blue plus 1 yellow plus 1 red equals 5. Or how about this? 1 blue plus 2 yellow plus 2 red equals 5 in all. Wow, there are lots of ways to make 5, huh? Check out the other videos in this series to learn more strategies for making the number 5. And if you're a teacher, you can find more from Teaching Without Frills on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and TPT. Thanks for watching!